What is going on in the real estate market in Western North Carolina? Not based on he says, she says, but based on data and facts. Howdy, friends. Tyson Bowman, Rockstar Life Realty, your one and only source in Western North Carolina that is life built upon the rock. So monthly market update. Let's get into it. Pop off. All right. So the homes sold were up 1% from the month before. So we're down 27% from last year. No surprise there, but sellers, take a look at this median sale price. Now this is values because buyers are willing to pay these prices. So up from last month, 5%, up from last year, 6%. Y'all, that's a total of 11% up from last year. Values are going up. So if you're listing with me or you're planning on listing with me, I really do mean it when I tell you that now is a great time to sell and it couldn't be better. Median list price, check it out, up 4% from last month, up 11% from last year. Y'all, that's a total of up 15%. This is great news for sellers, I got to tell you. Sale to list price ratio, we bumped down 1 point from last month. We're down 4% from last year. No surprise there. Sales volume up 1% from last month, down 27% from last year. No surprise there. There is less inventory on the market. But hey, buyers, you know, some of y'all have been out there pounding the pavement with me, and we've been finding some phenomenal deals that are just being left in the dust. They're being overlooked. And you know what? Many of you are submitting lower offers, lower than asking price at least. And you're sliding right in there and you're just getting a phenomenal deal on a lot of y'all, your dream home. Just because the amount of good inventory is really high. There are some gems out there. You got to work with a good real estate agent to uncover them. Feel free to search my website, rockstarliferealty.com, and there's a little button on there that says get more info. Beside every home, if you have any questions about anything you see on there, I'm happy to respond to your inquiry ASAP. So make sure to keep that in mind. Homes sold year to date, up 25% from last month, down 25% from last year. Y'all, if there's anything I can do to help you, any questions I can answer, I'm here for you. My contact info is below. So peace, love, victory. Don't forget to make your legacy legendary. Rockstar Life Realty. We'll talk to you soon.